I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop, and today we're taking our 5-inch jelly braid paper and turning it into a beautiful quilt. Download the free Easy Sashed Braids Quilt pattern at Fat Quarter Shop. A link is in the description box. To make this quilt, you need 1 jelly roll, 1 yard of sashing, half a yard of binding, and 2 5/8 yards backing. Today we're using the Pastel Prairie collection by My So Quilty Live for Moda Fabrics, and of course you need 1 roll of the 5-inch jelly braid paper. After you've gathered your pattern and your fabric, let's jump into assembling the quilt. Your first step is to cut a 47.5-inch strip of the paper. Use your jelly roll to make 1 long strip. If you need instructions on how to do this, we have a jelly braid paper tutorial linked in the description box below. Once you've made your first strip, you're going to repeat that 3 times to have 4 of these jelly braids. And now we're going to subcut them down. First, we're going to cut the long ends, and then we're going to subcut sections from the paper. So with this, there's no thinking. All you have to do is put your ruler on that outside line and just trim. Then you'll just turn your paper and trim the other side. You don't have to measure anything. Once you have that done, you'll want to take your ruler and cut on one end, it doesn't matter which end, and cut a straight edge. Then you're going to rotate this and you're going to subcut 5 8.5-inch wide rectangles from this. And with this, you're not paying attention to where any of the braids start or stop. None of that matters. When you're done, you're going to have 5 rectangles from each strip that you started with. You will have a total of 20 from all your strips. Now you want to take all the paper off of the back of all your units before you proceed. Just make sure you get in all the little crevices and get all of the paper off. Now you're going to take your jelly braid unit, add your fabric C rectangles, and that will make your unit 8.5 inches square, and you're going to make 20. So all of these blocks are now square. So you're going to lay the blocks out horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. You can change up this quilt by rotating the direction of the jelly braid paper. The Easy Sashed Braids pattern finishes at 35 by 43. For our sashing and our border, we use Bella Solid color 9900-200. For our binding, we picked a chunky plaid and we put a nice cream ditzy on the backing. The Easy Sashed Braids Quilt pattern is a great addition to our jelly braid paper playlist on this YouTube channel. Make sure you check it out for other tips and tutorials on this awesome paper. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.